To introduce a couple of the assignments that are potentially due this week, but we'll get you started on writing your research paper. The first one is, what is a scholarly article and why is it important? Scholarly sources are written by experts in the field. So for instance, as a sociologist, if I get ready to write a paper, I write the paper and I then submit it to a journal. That journal has peers, so other sociologists, are going to read my paper and fact check it and make sure everything is correct. So that's what it means to be a scholarly source or a peer-reviewed journal, meaning that you can't just go out there and write anything that you want. I can't make up facts. I can't say that I invented the word sociology or anything like that. So these are articles that are going to be written by the experts in the field. So what I would like for you to do is to find a scholarly source on your topic. Hopefully at this point you've thought a little bit about diversity. Many of you wrote your narratives for the first assignment that can give you some ideas about what you might want to write about. But the guidelines for this assignment will be to find a scholarly source on the topic you've chosen or one that you think that you would like to do. If you need help, please use the Embedded Librarian or go to the library webpage and chat. If you go to the library webpage and search, you can access scholarly sources there, which I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So once you find an article, you want to read it, and then you want to put the APA citation at the top of the page in bold letters. And you want to then write a 1 to 3 paragraph summary. The summary length will be dependent on the length of the article. If your article is only 5 pages, you could probably write a 1 paragraph summary. If your article is 26 pages, it's probably going to take you 3. Okay, so that is the first, the assignment, what is a scholarly source? And then let me take you to the library web page now so you can see that. Okay, I'm going to click on students and then scroll down to library, and here you have, it says the catalog. What you want to do is go to OneSearch. This is going to search databases, which is often where scholarly sources are housed, and the catalog. Right? So you have books as well. Are books scholarly sources? Not all of them, but if you want to use a book, by all means do so. Okay, if you want to physically go to the library and do research, awesome. All right, so on OneSearch, you want to click on the search toolbar and type in your topic. So let's search for racial discrimination. Okay, so in this account, you are going to get things that are shelved at ETSU, shelved at Northeast State, peer-reviewed journals, and full text online at Northeast State. Okay, we're going to click on peer-reviewed journals. Now, any of these that you come across are going to be peer-reviewed. So you already know that it is a scholarly source. Okay, you want to check, make sure it does say full text available. You don't want just the abstract. And then you'll just click on view it, and it'll be in multiple different places. Click on one. And here is the article. If you do want the full text, just click download as a PDF. And then you'll have it. Now, if you notice over here on the side, there's something called a citation tools. If you click on the citation tools, the citation comes up. This is MLA 8th edition. What we're using in this class is APA 6th edition. So on the drop-down menu, all you have to do is put APA 6th edition, and it changes to the correct citation. Okay? You can export this, or you can simply copy and paste, and voila, you have your APA citation. Okay? So hopefully that that helped you a little bit. Now let's talk about the proposal. Okay? This is also suggested to be turned in this week. I do suggest you at least start writing it or working on it. All right, so the basic guidelines, this is just going to be to start the conversation between me and you about your final project, what you're going to do for your research paper. Your proposal should be in APA format. Everything's going to be in APA format. You need to have at least one scholarly source at this point. And if you've already done your what is a scholarly source, you already have that. A good proposal will be 1 to 2 pages. Right. Your cover page will include a title, your name, Northeast State, and the date of submission. Then you'll have an abstract. And this is all laid out how your paper should be laid out. Okay? The abstract is a concise summary of your overall project. You should probably write that last. Okay? Then you want to go to the background of the study. This is going to be information on your topic. This is a good place to include that research that you did from your scholarly source. You should have in-text citations there. The next section will be the significance of the study. Why does this matter? Why does it matter to you? What is the purpose of you doing this research paper? Okay. The next section will be research questions. What do you hope to learn? So if you want to better understand how Black people have been historically discriminated against based on their race in the United States, you would write that in the form of a question. Your hypothesis is what you think will happen, and then you'll have your reference. Okay? You should already have that from what is your scholarly source. So these are the sections for your proposal. Really, we're looking at a paragraph for the abstract, paragraph or 2 for the background of the study, a paragraph for the significance, a paragraph for your research question, paragraph for your hypothesis. That should put you at least at 1 page. So if you have any other questions about this assignment, please let me know. And please do use your librarian or the library webpage and post any questions that you have on the Ask a Question discussion board.